Hello everyone. Welcome to online English class, grade 4. Today, we are going to learn Unit 11, in the museum. Lesson 3, Grammar and Song. Open your student book to page 82. Activity 1. Look and say. This is an example. There weren't any motorcycles. It's picture A. There were some buses. It's picture B. There weren't any cars. It's picture A. There were some bicycles. It's picture A. There were some planes. It's picture B. Activity 2. Sing and do.
Listening 101. Listen and sing. Our town has a history.
Our town has a history. It's very old, you know. Here's a picture of our town 200 years ago. There weren't any buses then, and there weren't any trains. There weren't any taxis, and there weren't any planes. There were shops and markets then, and there were hotels too. There were parks and cafes. There was a lot to do.
Now, let's sing together.
Listening 101. Listen and sing. Our town has a history.
Our town has a history. It's very old, you know. Here's a picture of our town 200 years ago. There weren't any buses then, and there weren't any trains. There weren't any taxis, and there weren't any planes. There were shops and markets And there were hotels too. There were parks and cafes. There was a lot to do.
It's time for workbook. Open your workbook to page 76. Exercise 1. Circle the correct words. 1. There weren't any planes 100 years ago. 2. There were motorcycles 20 years ago. 3. There were cars 20 years ago. 4. There weren't any buses 100 years ago. 5. There were bicycles 100 years ago. Exercise 2. Listen to a conversation. Fill in the correct circle.
Listening 24. Listen to a conversation. Fill in the correct circle.
Look at the pictures of our town. Our town has a history.
Yes. When is this picture from? Is it from 100 years ago?
No, it was 200 years ago.
Wow. Our town is very old.
1. The picture of our town is from A. 100 years ago. B. 200 years ago. C. 2,000 years ago.
So there weren't any buses or trains.
Were there any cars?
No, there weren't. There were horses.
Horses? It sounds fun.
2. What were there? A. There were buses. B. There were trains. C. There were horses.
There were many shops and markets.
Were there any hotels or parks?
Of course there were, but there weren't any big buildings.
Oh, but I think there was a lot to do.
3. What weren't there? A. There weren't big buildings. B. There weren't small buildings. C. There weren't any parks.
It's time to go into the theater.
Right. I'm very excited to watch the show in the oldest theater of our town.
Yes, the theater is the oldest. It's 300 years old.
Wow.
4. Where are they at? A. They are at the biggest theater. B. They are at the oldest theater. C. They are at the highest building.
Now, let's check the answer. Thank you for watching.